Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making a delicious beef and broccoli stir fry. Here I have my fresh broccoli, my thin sliced beef, some soy sauce. Now I'm mixing a little cornstarch with water to help thicken the sauce later. First, I'm going to season the beef with epis, a little epis for flavor, cornstarch, water, and adobo seasoning. I mix everything well and let it sit so the flavors soak in. Next, I prepare the broccoli by cutting it into small pieces and broil for 30 seconds. Once the pan is hot, I add the beef and cook it until it's nice and brown. Then I add the broccoli and pour in the sauce mixture. I let everything simmer together until the broccoli is tender and the sauce thickens beautifully. And that's it, a quick and tasty beef and broccoli stir fry you can enjoy any day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes.